In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create and edit cards in SAS4 Radius Manager. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So first, let me start the SAS4 Radius Manager. Okay, so machine is powered on and the IP is 10.0.0.11. Okay, so it's the dashboard of SAS4 Radius Manager. So we are going to learn about card system. In previous videos, I made videos related to users, managers, and NAS. The first one, when I was testing the users. If you want to learn how to add a NAS, you can see that video, and I will put the link in the I button so you can click and it will be redirected you to that video. Okay, and then yeah, there is another video about profiles as well. Profile is actually the service. In dmasoftlab it's called services, but in this one it's profile, but normally we call that packages. Okay, so let me click on the card system. So under action you will see we can generate, verify, and jobs queue, and there's option for card designer as well. In dmasoftlab you have to create card in any other software such as Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or if you know how to like edit things online on Canva or stuff like that, because I have videos on that as well, but that one is a bit difficult. This one I would say this one is super easy. You just need to go to the card system, and if you want to see how the custom design look like, you need to click on this no prepaid voucher. You can see how they created it. So you just need to design the background and then pick something from here, whatever you want, like the price and the pin number and the serial number, expiration, username, whatever you want. You can just drag and drop in your new design, right? Okay, so let me go back to card system, and we are going to create generate cards. Okay, so it's asking what type of card you want. So we have refill or prepaid. I told you in my previous video what exactly is prepaid. So it's like you pay for whatever you want to use. So prepaid can be like you want to use 10 GB of data, or it can be like a package for a month where you can use internet with 2 MB upload and 1 MB download, or whatever the service is related to. Okay, and the refill means you can buy a card one time and then you can pay the company to refill that card, and whenever you use that card amount you can refill that again. You don't have to purchase new prepaid card. So we can create refill and prepaid. So for this one I'm going to create a refill, and I will create a prepaid as well. So I'm going to set a value. Let me let's do 5, and the prefix, if you want any, it's like if you want any specific text like your company name or whatever, you can set that as in the start. So it will be showing under the username or the pin number, and here you can set the quantity. So I set the value 5, so I want to set 5 here, and the expiration you can set any. So I'm just setting it for 1 day, and this is the pin number what they're gonna use to activate their internet account. So you can choose whatever 4-number pin. And who should be the owner. So as we have like 4 managers, we can select any of them. So all the cards are gonna be under that manager, but I'm selecting admin for this one. All you need to click on just generate. So it's going to show you here. In for testing I created this before, but this is the one we just created. So it's showing the card value, what I put the value in, that's the price of that card, and that's the quantity. So it says status pending. You just need to refresh the page and you can see it's finished. Okay, I'm going to go back to the cards, and then I'm going to click on this one, and here you can see we have like 5 pins, and it's showing the serial number as well. But if you want to print the cards, you need to go back to cards, check this one, click on action, and you can click on download PDF. So it's asking for the design, what design you want to use. So I'm just using this one, and it's asking for the size, what size you want to print. So you can see the preview over here. Yeah, it's that simple. Okay, I'm going to go back to the card system. So first we created the refill, and now I'm going to create the prepaid user. Okay, so when you click on prepaid, you see there are like more features or more options, because in the prepaid it's gonna be one-time use. Like you sell the card, they use it for just one time, and then that card is no longer usable. Okay, but for the refill, they can like refill their amount, whatever the package is, or whatever they choose the service. But this one is one time, so we have to set a value and the profile as well, like what profile we're going to use for that one. In the refill, we can like a user can change their profile, they can do whatever, because that's the refill thing. And this one is one time, so we have to set that, like for this amount of cards we have to set that profile. And but this one was created for postpaid account. So if you want to create profile for prepaid, you need to select, let me show you. It's going to be really quick. So let's go back to profiles and click here, and I'm gonna set prepaid, let's say 10 Mbps. Okay, and we're gonna set a price that's 10, and enabling user panel, no, we don't want to show this one to users because we are selling the cards, right? And here is going to be the download and the upload speed in kbps, and the type is going to be prepaid. And here you can set the expiration limit, so I'm going to set that 5 days. Okay, and you can set the limit uptime as well. Like I'm just unchecking this one, so that means it will be available forever, but whenever they start using it, they can use that for 5 hours, or we can just say it's $10, so let's say 100 hours. That means like more than a week or so. And if you want to set the traffic limit, we can check this one and set an amount, let's say 10240. So this is going to be 1 terabyte, I would say, because this one is 1 gigabit. No, sorry, it's going to be 10 GB, right? And yeah, that's all for this one. So I'm going to create this one, and let's go back to the card system and then generate. I'm going to set the prepaid, and see, you can see the profile over here. So prepaid 10 Mbps, and the username size, I want to say like 4 is fine. So if we want to set a Mac login for hotspot only, you can see we can set that, but I don't want to do that. If that one is required, you can do that. And the other the next thing is honor. If you want to set any honor quantity, I'm gonna say 10, and the expiration is going to be never, because I already set that in my package, but still I can select any date. Or if you want to change that, you can do whatever, or just clear. But for this one, it's required because you're generating a card, so it's gonna show up on the card, right? So you can just go ahead and select any of the date. And the prefix, I told you about what that is, and the password size, and the simultaneous use. If you wanna allow this for like multiple users, you can do that, or if you want to allow only one session, that's fine either. And if you want to set password is equal to username, like it's going to be same username, same password, you can do that, but in my case I'm just leaving it unchecked. And it's used fixed password if you want to do that. you can do, and set a password. So for every user the password is going to be same, but that's not safe, I would say. And I'm going to click on generate, so it's in the pending. So after like 3 to 5 seconds I'm gonna do refresh. Okay, it's finished. So I'm gonna go back to the card system and the prepaid users, click this one, and then download, and then I'm gonna see the design. So you can see it's created. It's showing pin number null because for the default one there is no username and password. So I'm gonna do a new design where I need a username and password, and I'm just dropping it randomly. You can do as per your design requirement. Okay, so I just selected all of these, so we can see template name test. So this one is going to be my template. It's really bad. Okay, and card system, this one, download PDF. So let me see in the test design. So there is no background, I guess that's why it's not showing up here, but in this one there is no username or password. As I showed you in the card designer, you can see in this one there is no username or password. So let's just paste things here, username and password, save, and then I'm gonna go back and then click on this one and download, select this design. So now you can see it's showing the username and the password in all of them. So all you need to just design your background, and you need to mention text over there, so it's gonna show just the values. Okay, yeah, that's all for today. I think this video is a bit longer than the previous one, but I wanted to show you everything, whatever we can do in the card system. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.